For this lesson, you are going to read a lovely little story called Phone Booth and answer the questions. So make sure you read the story. If you don't get it, ask or reread it. Okay, reading something twice can really help you understand something. You might get words that you didn't get the first time, and usually it'll just make more sense because your brain has had a chance to already think about it, so it'll make more sense the second time. Or I'm happy to read it with you, or you can use the text to speech. All good options. And then there's 4 questions to answer. Make sure on number 3, it says, how does Julian's grandfather feel about this? Why was it important to him? How do you know? Okay, that's 3 different parts to that question that you need to answer. Not just the first part, answer all of the parts. And then number 4 is more of in your own life. What technology might you no longer use? Or maybe there's technology that your parents have told you about that isn't used anymore. Or I can give you some examples if you're having trouble thinking of something. Okay? There's no need to put I don't know because I am here to help. And I'm more than happy to work on it with you. All right, I think that's it. So make sure you are doing your best, showing me your reading comprehension skills and asking if you have any questions. Good luck.